Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you guys are not familiar with Stitch Fix, click on my link below. You'll get $25 towards your first fix, and you can get clothes, handbags, scarves, jewelry, shoes. It's great. So I love Stitch Fix. They're awesome. So once again, I have a link down below. It's a referral code. You'll get $25. And it's super awesome just to try out. So let me know if you guys are gonna try it down below, and some comments, and let me know how you think this fix is. In the box, you get a return label, you get 5 items, you get a style card as well as a price sheet. So let me get this price sheet out, and let's see here. Let's see who my stylist is, and it is Brianna. And here is my style card. And I'm not going to read the note. It's my 55th fix, so that's awesome. And let's put this off to the side. If you like these kind of videos, keep on watching. Guys, if you're new here, please like and subscribe. I do all kinds of unboxings and reviews. So just please hit that little subscribe button and the little bell so you get notified of any of my videos. I do usually post on Thursdays, but I've been posting a lot more at 7:30 Eastern time on Thursdays, but I've been posting a lot more lately. So I'll give you guys a heads up of when I'm gonna be posting some bonus videos. So I'll let you guys know. So let's get into this. So here is the bundle. I'm gonna undo it. Okay, crash over here. Okay, so let's see. First item we have here looks like a cardigan, and it's a hooded cardigan. It's longer, and it's flat in the front, which I love. It has pockets. So this would be really nice for the office because my office is really cold sometimes. It has a hood. So that's cute. I love the material. I'm gonna pull it up close for you guys. It's super soft. And here is the, around the wrist, it's kind of tighter. So hard to show you guys, but you could see it on. I'll put it on with this shirt that I currently have. So you see the 2 pockets, really cute, really soft. I like it a lot. Okay, so this is, let me read it to you. And on the try-on, you'll have a card on the side of the item. So if you would like to request that item for your stylist, you'll be able to tell her exactly what it is and the price. So this is the Love Ella Dara Brush Knit Hooded Cardigan in gray. So I wear an extra small, so this is in an extra small. Next are some shorts. These are Cosmic Blue. These are cute, but they're a little bit long. I told them the inseam has to be a little bit shorter, but they're a little bit distressing. Let me put this in the pocket. These are Stitch Fix exclusive, and I really like distressing and not the cuffed at the bottom, but we'll try these on. I'm not opposed to it. Let's see how they fit. So these are the size 25, and they are the Cosmic Blue Love Jody Distress Short. So they're super soft as well. So we'll see. This top is like my favorite color of all of Stitch Fix items. It is this like, I don't know, what are they calling it? It is a dark green. So here it is. Is this the front? Okay, so this is, I'm trying to see what's the front and the back. So that it's weird because the tag is in the front. So this is the top. Let me pull this tag. Actually, that's the back. I'm not sure what's the front and the back. So this is super cute. Here it is. It is has a little mesh. It is just a tank top. I think this is adorable. This is caught, so it's not showing you guys right. So here it is. I love this color. This would be perfect for work. So we'll try this on. This is the Sophie Rue Nella Sheer Detail Blouse in dark green. Next item we have here is a tank. Here it is, and it is like a denim kind of color, and blue and cream, and normal in the front, stripes, super soft. And then on the back, it has these buttons, which is really different detail, and it looks like a high-low. So let's see what this is. This is the Pink Clover Tacita back detail knit top in navy. So that's really cute. So I like that a lot. And then the next item is this off the shoulder top. I love mustard, especially in the summertime. So this is an off the shoulder top. The only thing about off the shoulder, it comes up when you lift your arms. So this is cute, but I'm not sure where I wear this. I haven't been reaching for my off the shoulder tops that I've gotten from Stitch Fix, but it looks like a 3/4 length sleeve, and it has like some tightness around here. And the pattern is so pretty. It's like black and white, which I absolutely love this. So this is the Lavapella Castaneda off the shoulder knit top in mustard, and it's a size extra small. So all my tops are in extra small, and my bottoms are usually a 24 or a 25. So what I'm gonna do is try everything on for you guys and then come back and give you guys my final thoughts, so stay tuned. Okay, so here is the first item. It is this cardigan, this long cardigan. It has the pockets here. As you can tell, it has the hood, which is super cute. This is so soft. It hangs below my shorts, but I really do like this a lot. It fits really nice. In the picture, I was kind of weary about it, but if you look at it and look up close, it's flat in the front and super soft. I have just a tank under it and some shorts that I got in my last fix. And yeah, I really like this a lot. So I'm not sure. So we'll see. Let me know your guys' thoughts on this. I mean, this is different. It's not something that I've gotten from Stitch Fix. Like I said, it's super soft and I like it a lot. It's nice for like the cold days in the office or anything like that. So let me know what you guys think down below. Okay, so here is the next top. This is really pretty. It's lined, so it has a double linen here. And it has this cute, pretty mesh. And here is the color. It's like that dark green. And I'll show you guys the back. It's really cute and super comfortable. I have it paired with these shorts that I got out of my Stitch Fix box. And they're comfortable. They're Pistola, which I love. So, yeah, I mean, let me know what you guys think. This is super pretty. I love the color. It's darker, but this color is really nice. I could definitely wear this to work. So let me know what you guys think on this one. I'm not sure. So this is so nice. So we'll see. Okay, next is this top. This is super cute with either black shorts or white shorts. And you could tell, see the pattern? It's adorable. I actually love this a lot. It is tight around the sleeves here though. But I guess it's supposed to be like that. You can wear it like this, but it looks kind of weird, but this is really pretty. I'll do a little spin for you. The only thing is I don't like how it, like these type of shirts, they go off the shoulder. I don't know. What do you guys think about this top? It's really cute, pretty. I love this pattern, so I'm not sure yet. Okay, the next item that I have is this top here. It's super cute, super soft. Here's the detailing in the back. As you can see, very cute, adorable, very basic top. Not sure if I need this. I have another similar top that I've received from Stitch Fix, so it's not really wowing me like the other three pieces. Next, we're gonna go and look at the shorts, and then we'll go back and talk about what I'm gonna decide to keep. Okay, last but not least is these shorts. They're super long right here. This is just not my style. If I want it longer, I would definitely do the frayed hem, like the Pistola ones that I had on. They do fit, but they are like really big everywhere. They're just really not me. But if you're looking for a short that's super comfortable, a little bit longer in here, and has some distressing, these are your shorts for you. But unfortunately, they just don't work for me. But they are very, very soft and stretchy. Like I could stretch these and stretch here. Like they have a lot of give, but they're just unfortunately not my style. And yeah, so we're gonna talk about what I decided to keep next. So just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am back. We're gonna go over prices to see what my items cost and what the total for the box is. So this is actually a pretty good box for prices. First item are these Cosmic Blue. These are the Cosmic Blue Jody Distress Short in Indigo, and they're $58. So unfortunately, these aren't my style, so these are gonna be going back, but they are super cute if you're looking for something that's stretchy and something that you can wear, you know, and move around in. Next, we have this top. I love this top. I'm really torn on this yellow top. It is cute, but I just don't like the sleeves. That's the only thing. I love the pattern. It's great. This is the Love Apella Castaneda off the shoulder knit top in mustard, size extra small, and it's $48. What do you guys think? Let me know. I have to send this back tomorrow, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna keep. This is getting tender though. Next is this top, and this is Pink Clover, and this is Pink Clover Tassida back detail knit top in navy, size extra small, and it's only $28. That's not a bad price, but unfortunately this is not really my style. I have some stuff that's similar, so I'm going to be sending this one back here. Next is this top. This I definitely know, it's inside out. I definitely would wear this to work. I really love this color on me. This is the Sophie Rue Nella sheer detail blouse in dark green, size extra small, and it's $38. So let me know what you guys think. This is really pretty. I like that. I'm always looking for cardigans, and this one is actually really cute. The next one is the Love Ellie Dara brush knit hooded cardigan in gray, size extra small, and $44. So the total for my box is $216. Bio 5 discount is $54. It only comes to $162 for all that. That's really not that bad. So let me know what you guys think, and I really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're new here, and have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.